Welcome viewers, of course this is LearnMaths TV. Let's see how to approach this simple mathematics. We asked to solve for x and y in the diagram above. All I need to do is to begin by saying solution. So let me begin by saying solution. So permit me to reproduce the diagram above, and I'll have something like this. Here is 80 degrees from what I have here. Here is 28 degrees from what I have here, and here is 50 degrees from what I have here. Remember, this is my x here, and this is my y. So I would need to complete this triangle, of course, by drawing a straight line this way to complete it here. We now have two angles, the bigger angle and the smaller angle. But let me label here A, B, and C representing the bigger angle. So permit me to call here Q to represent my smaller angle. So let here be A and here be B. I am going to equate the bigger angle with the smaller angle, of course. This is A, this is B, this is C. So A will be A plus 28 degrees plus 80 degrees plus my C will be B plus 50 degrees, of course, is equal to 180. Remember that angle in a triangle, of course, is 180 supplementary. And if this is true, so we will be having A plus 28 plus here is 80 plus B plus 50 is equal to 180. So I am done with the bigger triangle. Let's go for the smaller angle. So we have, of course, AQC, and the angles we have is A, Y, and B. So we'll be having it to be A plus Y plus B is equal to 180. So this is for the bigger angle and this is for the smaller angle. But one thing you're going to understand is that it is equating to 180. And because of that, we're going to equate it. Since they are equal to 180, we're going to equate it. So we have this to be A plus 28 plus 80 plus B plus 50 is equal to, we have here, A plus Y plus B. Good. The next thing to do is, if I cancel A here, I'll cancel A here. If I cancel B here, I cancel B here. So we have Y to be, our Y will be 28 plus 80 plus 50, which will give us what? 80 plus 50 plus 80 is 130. 130 plus 28 is 158. So we'll be having our Y to be 158 degrees. So let me put it this way to be Y is equal to 158 degrees. So that's for Y. How do we solve for X? Remember that angle at a point is equal to 360. So our X is here, our X is here, and our Y is here. So X plus Y is equal to 360, and of course we solved our Y to be 158. So substituting this 158 here, we'll be having that X plus 158 degrees is equal to 360. So our X now is simply 360 minus 158, and of course what will it give us? It will give us that X is equal to 202 degrees. So that's very simple. Now you find out that our Y now is 158 and our X is 202 degrees. And that's all for the problem. If you enjoyed the way we solve this mathematics, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.